Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can upload decals to your Roblox mobile. So you cannot upload decals from Roblox app. What you need to do is you need to access the Roblox website version. For that you need to go to your phone's browser and go to this website called roblox.com. Once you go to roblox.com, over here click on where it says continue in browser at the bottom. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in into your account. But since I've already logged in into my account, it directly took me over here. Once you're over here, you can click on where it says create. Once you're in the create section of Roblox, it's going to take you to this page. Now at the top left corner, you can see the three lines. Click on that. Once you click on it, click on where it says dashboard. Now once you click on dashboard, it's going to look something like this. Now over here at the top you can see the bar. Make sure to slide at the side until you see development items. Click on development items. Once you click on development items, there's going to be another slider right below development items. Scroll to the side until you see decals. Click on decals. Now from over here you can click on upload asset and upload yourself a decal. You can name the decal anything you want, even give it description. And over here where it says upload, click on it. And click on where it says, take photo, choose file, photo library. You can choose whichever option you want. I will just click on take photo and take a random photo. So this is going to be my decal. So I will click on use photo. And just like this, I can scroll a bit down and click on upload. And I just uploaded a decal using my mobile on Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.